Certainly. Here are the top 10 travel tips to help you have a smooth and enjoyable journey. Number 1. Plan ahead. Research your destination, create an itinerary, and make reservations for accommodations and activities in advance to avoid last-minute stress. Number 2. Pack light. Pack only the essentials to reduce the weight of your luggage. Choose versatile clothing and consider doing laundry during your trip. Number 3. Travel insurance. Invest in travel insurance to protect yourself against unexpected events like cancellations, medical emergencies, or lost luggage. Number 4. Stay connected. Keep digital copies of important documents like passports, visas, and travel insurance. Also, carry a portable charger for your devices. Number 5. Local currency. Exchange some currency, or use a local ATM upon arrival to have cash on hand for small expenses. Notify your bank about your travel plans to avoid card issues. Number 6. Learn basic phrases. Familiarize yourself with a few essential phrases in the local language. It can go a long way in communication and showing respect to the local culture. Number 7. Be safe. Be cautious with your belongings, avoid risky areas, and follow local safety guidelines. Keep a copy of your itinerary with someone back home. Number 8. Try local food. Embrace the local cuisine and try new dishes. Food is an integral part of the travel experience, so don't miss out on the flavors of your destination. Number 9. Flexible itinerary. While planning is essential, be open to spontaneity. Sometimes the best experiences happen when you deviate from your planned schedule. Number 10. Respect local culture. Learn about the customs and traditions of the place you're visiting. Dress appropriately. Ask for permission before taking photos, and be respectful to the locals. Remember, traveling is about creating memories and experiencing new things. So stay open-minded and enjoy every moment of your journey.
India's Top 10. Discover India.